Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right tools. Install Pidroid on Android or Pythonista on iPad. Once done, open the app and grant storage permission so files persist. Next, connect or enable a coding-friendly keyboard. Typing code on a tablet is easier that way. Finally, confirm the app's package manager or built-in interpreter is working. Make sure you can create and save a new Py file before moving on. Once the app is ready, create a project folder locally or in your synced cloud so you won't lose work. Then open the package manager and install essential libraries like requests and numpy. You use pip commands in Termux or the app's GUI installer in Pidroid. Configure a simple virtual environment if supported, or isolate projects with separate folders. Make sure your editor has syntax highlighting, and run a quick import test to verify modules load correctly. You finish by running your script from the app's console or run button if using Termux type Python script. Py. Once it works, back up the project to cloud storage and consider schedule options or lightweight automation if the app supports them. For ongoing maintenance, update packages and track your Python version so dependencies remain compatible. If something breaks, check error logs, reinstall problematic packages, and confirm your interpreter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.